This one feels illegal. Not because it's wrong, but because it's way too easy. Rebuilding a product like Spotify, the layout, the rhythm, the way it pulls you into music, is supposed to take serious design thinking. But with one prompt, AI claims it can recreate that experience in seconds. So today, we're not hyping it up. We're testing it. Welcome back to Meta Build AI. On this channel, we rebuild famous products using AI, not to copy them, not to steal them, but to understand why they work. Because great products aren't really about features. They're about habits, muscle memory, and interfaces that disappear while you use them. Spotify is one of the best examples of that. We're rebuilding Spotify, not the music, not the recommendations, not the back end. Just the interface, the sidebar, the playlists, the layout that somehow makes millions of songs feel simple. And the rule is the same. No APIs, no real data, no manual design work. Just one prompt, and whatever happens next. This is where things get strange. Instead of designing screens one by one, I'm going to describe Spotify once, in plain English, and let the AI interpret the product. Watch closely, because this replaces hours of layout decisions. Okay, pause. This didn't just generate a music app. It understood structure, persistent navigation, content density, a layout built for return visits. This already feels familiar. And again, that's the dangerous part. Let's slow this down, because Spotify's power is subtle. First, the sidebar. Spotify anchors you with familiarity. Home never moves. Your library is always there. Second, playlists over albums. Spotify doesn't push ownership, it pushes moods. And third, density without stress. A lot is on screen, but nothing is demanding attention. There's almost no explanation. Spotify assumes you'll figure it out, and that assumption feels like respect. This isn't about music, it's about habit design. But again, a static UI isn't enough. So now, let's do what normally lives in part 2. Let's make this feel interactive. Watch what happens when we add simple interactions. Hover feedback, clickable playlists, page jumps. None of this plays music, but your brain fills in the sound anyway. Motion creates belief. When something responds, it earns your trust. This is why interactive prototypes work. They don't need intelligence. They need responsiveness. If you're building something yourself, here's the lesson. Spotify didn't win with features. It won by becoming familiar. Build for return visits. Build for habit. Build for flow. AI didn't remove design here. It removed friction and exposed what actually matters. And that's the real test. Not whether AI can design apps, but whether we understand why people come back. If this helped you think differently about products, you can support the channel at $MetaBuildAI. And in the next episode, we're rebuilding another platform and testing how far one prompt design can really go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. You can follow us on all social media platforms at MetaBuildAI for more rebuilds like this. And visit metabuildai.gumroad.com to find today's UI build kit, plus templates, prompts, and other tools used to create this content. New builds drop regularly, so stay connected.